in the 80s, I remember an exercise and physiology lecturer telling us that we needed to be as healthy as possible and as fit as necessary. Our sport of sailing needs a pretty good measure of both health and fitness. As we get older, we accumulate a few aches and pains and lose some flexibility. It makes it hard to move around a boat, particularly a small boat where we can't stand up straight. We control what we can as far as lifestyle things go. We eat well, exercise regularly, and maybe even lose a few kilos. It's hard to cut out the things that we enjoy, and a glass of wine and some chocolate still has a place in my diet, but I did try to cut out bread. Then I decided I like bread, so I started baking sourdough, a slightly healthier option. I've been taking seaweed regularly. It has worked well for the Japanese for millennia, so I thought, why not try it? But seaweed generally tastes pretty ordinary. So I started adding seaweed powder to my sourdough. It replaces all the added salt, and the potassium gives a nice salty flavour. Because I did a lot of walking on my knees as a flooring contractor, I couldn't stand up from a squat without tremendous pain. Now I can do squats like a frog in a sock. There are a few clicks and creaks, but zero pain. What I came up with is delicious guilt-free bread with benefits, and I want to share my recipe with you. We're going to start with a kilogram of flour. And to that I'm going to add the rest of the dry ingredients, which is Pacific Seamoss, salt replacement, and all the benefits of seaweed. And then I'm going to pour into that 200 grams of sourdough culture. Okay, so I'm just folding the ingredients together, and once I've finished folding that in, I'll let it sit for a while. I'll come back, and over a period of time I'll fold it probably about 8 more times. So we'll just pop that into the fridge overnight. By leaving it in the fridge overnight, it slows down the process of the culture growing and imparts the sourdough taste. A couple of hours on the bench and then it's ready to pop in the oven, about 40 to 45 minutes and around about 220 degrees. Seaweed infused sourdough. It's guilt-free and it gives you all the health benefits enjoyed by the Japanese. Now it's ready to cover it in lashings of butter and jam. There are many variations on sourdough recipes and most of them work pretty well. You've just got to experiment and find something that works for you. Never stop working on your health and fitness. We need both to be able to enjoy amazing moments like this on the water.